Sin theta is equal to theta and is equal to tan theta. We all have used this relation so many times in so many numericals. In today's video, we are going to prove this relation, and this relation is known as a small angle approximation. It is valid for value of theta between 0 to 20 degree. Beyond the 20 degree, the relation will give you answer, but the answer will have so much error that will be unacceptable for the use. So, for the proof, let's say theta is a small angle and construct a right angle triangle with one of the angle as a theta. Construct the right angle triangle with one of the angle as a theta. And two sides x and y and hypotenuse. Now for this triangle we can write that cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, so x upon r. Now if theta is a small angle, so we can say that the length of x is nearly equal to length of r. For a small angle theta, we can say that the length of x is nearly equal to length of r. So x is nearly equal to r. So cos theta becomes x divided by x is equal to 1. So for a small angle theta, cos theta becomes 1. Now sin theta becomes, from the triangle, sin theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, so y upon r. Let's say this as an equation number 1. Now we can assume there is a circle with a radius r. As shown in the figure, there is a circle with a radius r. Now we can see from the figure that theta is making an arc of length y on the circle. Theta is making a length of arc equal to y on the circle. And we also know the relation angle is equal to arc length divided by radius. Now from the geometry we can say that arc length is equal to y. This we only can say for a small angle theta. If theta is a large angle, so the side y will not coincide with the arc. If theta is a large angle, so side y will not coincide with the arc. So if theta is large, y will not equal to arc length. Now angle theta is equal to arc length, which is y upon radius r. Now comparing these two equations, comparing equation number 1 and equation number 2, we can say that sin theta equal to theta. Now let's define tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. For a small angle theta, cos theta becomes 1 and sin theta becomes theta. So tan theta is equal to theta upon 1. So we can say that tan theta is equal to theta. This is what we call small angle approximation. For a small angle, cos theta is equal to 1 and sin theta is equal to theta, and tan theta is also equal to theta.